Hello everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp video. In this video, we're going to be going over some Duolingo. So, Duolingo is a very fun app to learn Spanish. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's open up Duolingo. I just downloaded it last night, so that's why I am really low. I've done the intro, and now I'm on phrases. So let's go over some things. First of all, you can scroll all the way to the bottom to see, oh my, there's a lot. Wow, guys. Okay. And then you have book, unlike stories with 10 crowns. Okay. Person, I won, so you can go look me up. And I don't think that this is too bad for me just downloading it last night. These are pretty good stats. I'm gonna claim this. Wow, 25 gems. Okay, that's great. Announcements, that's basically just news. And then you have the shop, which is not very useful unless you want to just spend your money, real life money and gems are in game. But yeah, so let's go back over here and go into this lesson. You can go into hard mode or just normal and start it.
Lo siento.
Translate this sentence. Okay.
Lo siento.
Okay, and then you can click on
Lo.
them. So, I am
Lo.
not very good at it. Sorry, Louis. Or,
Siento.
I can't do this, but
Lo.
you guys get the point, right? So, you got that, and then, I don't know how I did that. And you also have your, XP and hearts. Yeah. Also, Apple Magnet, go watch that video because that video was very cool. And thank you guys for getting it past the average amount of views, which is really amazing. But this is the end for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can help the algorithm get this to more people, and then help us reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers so that we get monetized and we can pay for our website to help even more people. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next iHelp video. Bye!